Students, now we are going to see the new topic, scientific notation. Scientific notation expressing a number n, capital N, in the form of capital N is equal to, for this is the form of a scientific notation, n is equal to a into 10 power n. So scientific notation is a combination of a decimal number and the exponent. Exponent means power number. So this decimal number lies in the integral part lies between 1 and 10. 1 and 10 means including 1. 1 less than or equal to a less than 10. And n is an integer is called as a scientific notation. Scientific notation is used for too large or too small to be conveniently written in a decimal form. Very large number or very small number, we have to write it as a decimal form. It allows the numbers to be easily recorded and handled. Students, now the way to convert a decimal number into scientific notation. The steps are: first, move the decimal point so that there is only one non-zero digit to its left. Then count the number of digits between the old and new decimal point. This gives n the power of 10. Third point, if the decimal is shifted to the left, the exponent n is positive. Shifted to left, exponent n is positive. If the decimal shifted to the right, exponent n is negative. Shifted to the right, the exponent n is negative. Exercise 2.8, first problem, represent the following numbers in the scientific notation. Students, now it is a decimal number. For here no decimal point is there, but we have to consider the decimal at the end of the number. So now we have to consider, we have the rules conversion of decimal to scientific notation. The decimal point moves left, we have to use the positive power. Decimal point moves right, use the negative power. Negative power, positive power in the sense 10 power. Then negative power in the sense the same way 10 power the negative number. For the first problem, decimal number is not given, decimal point is not given. So that means we have to consider it is at the end. So now you have to check the decimal have been, that is in the scientific notation we need only one integral part. So that means the decimal has to move here. So how many steps I have to move? That is, count the number of digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For it moves left side. So that means 5.6943. So that is 5.6943 into 10 power. How many steps move? It is 11 steps. In between, for here to here, in between these two decimals, we have 11 digits. So that is 10 power 11. It moves left side. So positive power plus 11. Now for 2000.57. Now the decimal is here. Now the decimal moves to near 2. So that is, how many steps it's moved? 1, 2, 3. So that is 2.00057 into 10 power 3. Next, the third problem, 0.0000600. So that is, for it is after the numeral, after the number, the end of the zeros has no value. So you no need that 0. In between zeros have a value. So must have to write that 0. So that means the decimal is in the beginning. So this decimal have to move here. So that means, so how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steps it moves towards right side. So it is a negative power. So 6.0 into 10 power minus 7. We need one integral part and remaining as a decimal. Decimal is for here remaining fully 0. So you write 1 0, that is enough. Next problem, 0.000900002. For that is, the decimal is at the beginning. This decimal have to move near 9. So in between we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. In this 4 digit, it moves right side. So 10 power minus 4. So that is 9.0000 02 into 10 power minus 4. Students, the second method, converting scientific notation to decimal form. When we are converting the scientific notation to the decimal form, we have to follow these steps. The reverse process of converting a decimal number in a scientific notation to the decimal form is easily done when the following steps are followed. First step, write the decimal number. Second point, move the decimal point by the number of places specified by the power of 10. To the right is positive. To the right it is right, it is positive side. Then to the right if positive, or to the left if negative. Add 0 if necessary. Third point, rewrite the number in decimal form. Write the following numbers in a decimal form. First question, 3.459 into 10 power 6. So it is a positive power. So 0 is right at the right side. So first you write the decimal number without decimal point. You write that number 3459. 3459. For here 6 is there, so 6 decimal places need 1, 2, 3. So 3 more digits are need. So you write at the zeros last, 3 zeros. So 3459,000. Next, the third problem, 1.00005 into 10 power minus 5. It is a negative power. Negative power, write 0 at the left side. So that means for here minus 5 is there, already one digit is here, one decimal place is here. So 4 zeros are need. So 0.1234. Then write from that 1.00005. Second question, 5.678 into 10 power 4. It is a positive power. Now you consider this decimal places 1, 2, 3. For we need 4 decimal places. So 1 0 add at the last. So 56780. Next, fourth problem, 2.530009 into 10 power minus 7. So it is a negative power. Zeros you write at the left side. So now for here one decimal is there, so remaining 6 zeros are need. So that means 0.123456, 6 zeros right in front of this 2. So then the remaining numbers taken right, 2530009.